Hello everyone, dear students. Today we are going to do note making, and I think you all know that how to make notes. Notes are a very important part in our life, and we just have to make notes for revising our complete chapter. When we are student, we follow this thing daily in our life. Now in your syllabus this is included so that you can improve your note making skill. So how can we improve it? I'll tell you the format that how can you improve it. So in your English syllabus you will find note making for 8 marks, and you just have to go through the passage, complete passage, then divide your passage into paras as per the meaning, and then you can make your notes easily. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to go through the passage first of all, and while reading you have to underline main points and important words. Okay, after then you just have to look towards that important points, those important points which you have underlined, and after watching these points you can make your notes easily. Okay, see now. So first of all, how can we make notes? First of all, on the basis of that passage, first of all we just have to write title. Okay, write title. Title is Delhi's neglected, okay, pedestrians. Then write notes here, and after writing notes you just have to make main points, main points, and then sub points. Okay, 1 2 3, these are main points, and this one 1 2 3 4 5, these are sub points. You just have to follow the same format. You have divided your passage into 3 parts on the basis of the meaning, and now you are going to use make your own notes. So first one, floors in Indian homes. Okay, this point. So sub points are well maintained, okay, clean twice a day, decorated, okay, streets neglected in comparison. So floors in Indian home means the first point is written here, and now correlation is shown between these two things. Means there should be correlation between the main point and sub points. Okay, well maintained, like, okay, and then clean twice a day. So you are watching, I think, this word MNTND. So maintain, this is short form of maintain. Clean, CLND, clean. So you can make your own short forms of the words in the same format. Decorated, जो ये फ्लोर है वो वेल मेंटेन्ड होते हैं, इनको 2 टाइम क्लीन किया जाता है, डेकोरेटेड होते हैं. ओके, एंड होम बायर्स इन्वेस्ट अ गुड floor. Okay, good floors. So means these are having relation with the main point. Now if we are going to watch second point, Delhi's pedestrian sidewalks. Okay, pedestrian sidewalk. So what is the relation between this point and these further points? See, so what is the condition shown here for the pedestrian? Actually they are using they are using that thing for sidewalks, but these are not properly maintained, and more attention is given on the maintenance of the roads instead of giving proper maintenance for the pedestrians or sidewalks to improve their thing. Okay, so this one is shown here, like most people use them for some. Now see third point, roads in other modern cities. Okay, condition is shown here in other cities. Roads designed for all categories of pedestrians give them a sense of belonging. Delhi authorities should improve the situation. After writing these notes, 3 notes, we just have to write our keys to abbreviations, and keys to abbreviation means which words we have used here. Now we just have to write the full form of these notes. These words must be 6 to 8 in number. Then conclude all these points by writing summary. Okay, summary should be in proper form like we are going to write, but all notes must be included in summary. It is 400 words and carries 4 marks. Like, floors in your homes are well maintained and decorated. Home buyers invest on good floors, but in comparison the streets are neglected. Okay, so this is completely shown here, and we just have to complete this question for getting 8 marks. This is so easy. If you will do practice 1 and 2 time, then you will be able to get it. Okay.